What are the important questions from Charles Lamb's Dream Children? You can prepare questions like analyze Dream Children as a romantic essay. Here, you have to talk about the narrative style, love of nature, imaginative dreamlike quality of the characters, and the setting, nostalgia for childhood, and such things. Second question, analyze Lamb as a personal essayist. Talk about point of view, that it is first person narrative, emotional style, personal yearnings and desires, autobiographical elements, direct address to readers, gaps and break in narrative. The subject of the essay itself is emotional and personal. Also, link it to personal essay as a genre in British literature. Next, discuss the autobiographical elements. Here, establish the links with Lamb's life and characters in the essay. Focus on the points that make it a personal essay. Finally, the question that is most asked in exams, Lamb's use of humor and pathos. Point out the moments he is being humorous in describing the children's reactions, the movement of the fish in the garden, those statements that have subtle, gentle humor. Pathos means a sense of tragic tone, and in Lamb, show how his humor is also a marker of pathos. Speak about his loneliness, personal loss, and brooding presence of death in the essay. Coming to semi-long question of 5 marks. Who are the dream children mentioned in the title and what is their significance? You can write how the dream children are not real but imagined figures born from Lamb's deep emotional longing for family life. Their presence in a dream allows him to momentarily inhabit a world where these desires come true, making them central to the emotional depth of the essay. How does Lamb use the device of a dream to explore themes of memory and loss? You can write how the dream acts as a gateway to the past, letting Lamb revisit cherished memories and lost loved ones like his brother or his grandmother. Through the dream, time becomes fluid and emotions surface more intensely. But when the dream ends abruptly, it mirrors how fragile and fleeting memory can be. Next question is, in what ways does the essay blend reality with imagination? You can write how Lamb mixes real people, such as his relatives and past loves, with fictional elements like the imaginary children and the nostalgic setting. This blending creates a dreamlike atmosphere that feels both personal and universal. Next is identify and explain the use of imagery in the essay. You can write how Lamb paints vivid images throughout the essay. You should also prepare the question on narrative voice in the essay. Here you can write how the narrator speaks in a gentle, reflective tone, almost like someone telling a story to himself. The autobiographical tone is also important. First person narrative technique is used, almost like a short story. So there you have it. One of our priority members, Borsha, suggested making a short video on questions from Dream Children. Do you have a request for shorts too? Join Nibble Pop today.